Way back when I hit the road, it was 17 years ago. I left town to be alone and traveled on to the countryside. For many years I did roam. It was then I found a home outside of town on the hills. I fell in love with a gypsy girl, and her hair it was black, and her skin it was too, and it was dirt that made it black. Yet her eyes were bright and blue, had not much but some old clothes, and they were dirty just like my own. Then we married and then we made, had a boy and had his grave, had a daughter and it was fine. Then we roamed the countryside and settled down and had a home and watched the sun setting to the ground. And we married and we had made, we had a boy and had his grave, we had a daughter and that was fine. And then we roamed the riverside, there we settled down and watched the sun setting to the ground every night. Song I wrote not too long ago.